Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into reconciliation. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Reconciliation, which means the restoration of friendly relations. Number 1. Appeasement, which means the action or process of appeasing. Appeasement. For example, this was a cop-out, designed to provide appeasement for battered male consciences. Number 2. Settlement, which means a formal arrangement made between the parties to a lawsuit in order to resolve it, especially out of court. Settlement. For example, the settlement of the dispute. Number 3. Peace, which means a treaty agreeing peace between warring states. Peace. For example, the envoy hopes to set the seal on a lasting peace today. Number 4. Adjustment, which means a small alteration or movement made to achieve a desired fit, appearance, or result. Adjustment. For example, new teachers face a challenging period of adjustment. Number 5. Conciliation, which means the action of stopping someone being angry. Conciliation. For example, he held his hands up in a gesture of conciliation. Number 6. Synthesis, which means the combination of components or elements to form a connected whole. Synthesis. For example, this painting is a synthesis of elements derived from a variety of different types of ancient art. Number 7. Rapprochement, which means especially in international affairs, an establishment or resumption of harmonious relations. Rapprochement. For example, growing political and diplomatic rapprochement between the two countries. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.